Hi, I'm Simon Robinson, founder and CEO of the Inspire Africa Group. I'm honored to have been an Airwards judge this year, and my participation has exposed me to organizations across the globe who are really making a difference through drone technology. From developing awareness of the positive impact of drone tech in schools, to offering programs, courses and qualifications to tertiary students and professionals, we've seen some truly inspirational entries covering all these markets. I'm now going to announce the winner of the Education and Research Award in the Giving Back group. And the winner is Drone Legends for their submission of Drone Flight Mission. Congratulations.
Hi, I'm Scott Buell, founder and CEO of Drone Legends, and I want to thank Airwards and the voting community for selecting us as the winners for the Education and Research Division. Thank you so much. It means so much to us. We pride ourselves on developing the best, most engaging educational content to teach middle school and primary school students around the world drone technology, but also how to be legendary. So again, thank you so much. It validates everything we stand for in our mission, and we really appreciate it. We'll see you soon.